Hi, hello again. It's Wednesday, 25th of November 2020 and the time is 11:15 hours, a quarter past 11 in the morning, and I'm about to make a juice. It's watermelon juice again. Here I have 3 slices of watermelon with the rind and skin, which I've cut up. And to that I'm going to add 1 small key lime as well as half a lemon, which I've cut up into 4 pieces here, as you can see. I've run out of my limau kapas, so I'm not using any limau kapas today. So it's going to be, what do you call it? Just the watermelon and 2 citrus. Actually, I was going to try, what do you call it? I'm not putting the limau kapas because I've run out of it. In fact, I was going to try just with the lemon. But since I had a lot of key lime, it would be a waste not to put it. So I'm putting a small one and see whether it be less bitter. Now, I'm quite used to the bitter taste of key lime skin. Some people who try it for the first time might find it a bit unpleasant, but you can get used to it. So anyway, I'm going to try with just 1 small lime here and see how it goes. So I'm going to juice this up now and catch you later for the taste test. Okay, see you. Bye bye.